one of the things that you definitely need to be aware of is if you want to live out in this Easton Grey area or at Whispering Pines, you have to be paying attention to your commute because it gets very busy out here, Rockville Road, going east during the morning times and even at nighttime. So it's something that you definitely want to keep in mind if you're thinking about moving out into this area. What's your commute? There are people that are going further. Look at that sun. That's just gorgeous. People that are moving out into Danville. Danville is the courthouse. That's where everything is for Hendricks County. If you want that small town Andy Griffith vibe, that's where you go. Because there is a place there, it's called Mayberry Cafe, and they even have an old-time Andy Griffith car that sits there right along the curb. You can't miss it. Some good comfort food. But here is another image. Check this out. I mean, all this, I'm out here, they're breaking ground out here. So this is, I'm gonna come back here in a year and you probably won't even recognize it. So let's move on down to all the shopping and stuff.